how to compare Amazon products side by side. Open up Amazon, use the search bar to search for whatever product you are seeking. And now I'm just going to open up the product which I want to compare. For example, let's do this microphone. Now, once you have the product open, then you want to scroll down until you see this Ask Alexa. So Ask Alexa, we want to ask something else. So click on that and we want to say compare with similar. Now this is going to initiate the AI assistant for shopping. So we're going to wait for it to compare with similar microphones in this price range, and it's going to give you a side-by-side comparison. Okay, so here this is going to be the first one. So that's going to be the one that we're looking for. This is going to be the variant with the boom arm, and also then it's going to give you large dick. That way you can compare different products, and it's going to also give you a summary of the products themselves. So which is high end, which is lower end, mid range. And here, if you scroll to the side, you will see the type of microphone in this case. So we have condenser, we have dynamic, the connection type. So if I scroll down, you will see the connections of how we can connect it. You can see type of microphone, which it is, how many patterns, and also LED panels, and also auto level mode. You get the gist of it. So I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.